Yo, what's good everyone? If you're still rocking an iPhone 15 or 16, listen up, because your phone might be on its last legs. Apple is cooking something insane for 2026. The iPhone 18 series could literally be the biggest redesign in iPhone history. Foldable iPhone, no more dynamic island, Samsung cameras. Yeah, you heard that right. Smash the like button right now if you're excited, and let's dive into the 8 craziest leaks we know so far. First and biggest bombshell, Apple's first foldable iPhone is coming. Rumored name, iPhone 18 Pro Fold, launching late 2026, maybe early 2027. When unfolded, just 4.5 to 4.8 millimeters thin. That's thinner than the Galaxy Z Fold. Outer display, 5.5 inches, inner screen, massive 7 inches. Price? Brace yourself, starting above $2,000/£1,900/2,200 euros. This thing is gonna make Samsung sweat. Next, say goodbye to the dynamic island and even the punch hole. Face ID is moving completely under the display. Front camera? Also under display. Apple finally cracked the tech without making selfies look blurry. We're talking a 100% clean, uninterrupted screen. Android's been doing it for years, but Apple's about to do it better. Under the hood, new A20 and A20 Pro chips built on 2nm process. Apple's using brand new chip-on-wafer packaging for crazy AI performance. Siri is finally going to be useful. Everything runs locally, zero cloud lag, maximum privacy. This is the biggest AI jump since Apple Intelligence launched. Camera twist of the year, Apple is dropping Sony sensors and switching to Samsung's new 3-layer stacked sensors. Better dynamic range, insane low-light shots, faster burst mode, richer colors. We might even see 48MP ultra-wide plus 48MP telephoto across the board. Night photos are about to look unreal. Color options leaked, coffee brown, deep purple, and a stunning burgundy red. No pure black yet, scratches killed it on iPhone 17 Pro. But Apple is testing new scratch-proof coatings, jet black might return. Battery life? Up to 25% better thanks to the 2nm chip. Charging speeds? Rumors say 45W wired and 25W wireless. Finally catching up to Android flagships. Real talk, should you wait for iPhone 18 or buy the 16 Pro Max now? If your phone is dying, grab the 16 Pro Max today. It's still a beast. But if you want something completely new, foldable, clean screen, next-gen AI, wait for 2026. Just remember, these are leaks. Apple loves surprises. So drop a comment right now. Which feature has you the most hyped? The foldable? The under-display camera? Or Samsung beating Sony? If you enjoyed this video, destroy that like button, hit subscribe and turn on notifications. I drop leaks every week. Follow me on Instagram and X for daily updates, links in description. This is your boy, your channel name, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.